ProTool Shine Up with some polymers in it to help you get that car shiny afterwards, cleans and shines. And the Hose End ProTool Foamer. These two are built to work together. This has 6 ounces of Shine Up in the bottom, and then you fill the rest with water, and you can do 2-3 cars out of the 2-liter bottle that comes with it. So mix up your mix, 6 ounces of Shine Up, water, attach it to your hose end, and then put it into clean mode, and you get that nice foam action that spreads the detergent around on the surface and lets it work on cleaning up your car. The detergent settles on the surface, and you may need to agitate. If you're washing pretty often, you can probably just rinse it off, but agitation is a nice feature to get that surface perfectly clean. And you can do that with a sponge, a rag, or with a small wash sprayer.